Hi there. So in this video we're going to cover how to clear a cPanel after an unsuccessful install of either Weblify or Social Explorer. Now the first thing we want to look at is at the actual error log. Now in this error log there has been plenty of retries. So what we want to do is we want to go to the last one and we want to find this here, new install log begin. So after that you should have the domain being installed and the database being created. Now we need this value over here because this value is the name of the database and the name of the FTP user, and you want to delete those so that we're sure that the cPanel is 100% clean. So if you're actually at the error log, you can just simply find creating database, and you'll always go at the last one, not at the first results, because in case you've had several unsuccessful ones, you always want to go at the latest value. So here's what we're going to do. We come into cPanel, and the first thing we're going to delete is the databases. So you'll either have MySQL databases here, or we can simply search for it. So here it is, MySQL databases. So once you're on the MySQL databases panel, you might have a lot of databases and it gets really hard to know which is which. So this is why we need this value over here. So we copy this value, we search this value, and ta-da, there's only one database with this name. So we can now delete it. We want to delete the database. We go back, and while we're here we can actually delete the same user because this user won't be used anymore. So let's just delete it as well to make sure that it's really clean. Now the database is deleted. The second step is to delete the actual files. Now cPanel has a file manager, which you can find here. And again, usually I just click to go to root. Usually you want to go directly to the domain you're using, but I want to show you that sometimes, again, you'll have a lot of domains. So we come here and we make sure that this domain is here, and we can see that it actually created a www and a non-www. Now this could be one of the causes of the issue. Okay, we really want to delete both of these because we don't need a www, we need only this one here, but we want to delete it as well for now because we're going to reinstall. So that part was pretty simple. So back to the main cPanel. Now the last part is we go to the add-on domains. If it's a subdomain, you might want to go to the subdomains panel as well. But for now, so let's see if there's any subdomain first and foremost here. Skater supply. So there's no skater supply. Let's take the .com because this is a subdomain. So there's no subdomain called skater supply. In case there was any subdomain, we could delete it. And now here in the add-on domains tab, we do the same thing. We want to remove it. And we can remove the FTP account as well. So here we get the confirmation. Let's just make sure that there's no www or anything. So that's it. So now if you press home, we can go through all the steps again really fast. So first thing we want to do, we want to delete the database. Second thing we want to do we can go and delete the files manually just to make sure. And the third step we're going to do is either delete the subdomains or the add-on domains. Okay? You shouldn't have anything else created by Weblify. That's all you need to delete. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below, and we will answer them. Thank you.